Hello children and welcome to your English class. I am your English teacher Ruchita Singh and today we are going to study a very interesting topic in English grammar of your grammar book, chapter number 10 and page number 39. So if you have your grammar book with you, then you open it and let's see what's there. Children, today we'll be studying about adjectives. And what are adjectives? Have you ever heard about these words? Like exciting, cold, hot, sweet, beautiful, lucky, then heroic, crazy. All these are words which are used to describe something. When we are telling something about someone, then we use these words. Sometimes we use green color, then sometimes we say good also. Sometimes we say greasy, old, new, then broken, fortunate, smart, lazy, lucky. So what are these words? Children, these words are called adjectives. Why? Because they are used to describe a noun. Okay children, and you all already know that noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. So adjectives used to describe a noun by telling about its taste, then its color, then its smell, looks, whether it is pretty or ugly, then size, whether it is big or small, then how a noun feels, like is it soft? When you are touching it, its feeling is soft or hard. Then sound, what type of sound is coming from a noun? Then how many nouns are there? 2, 3, many, more, less, little. Then the behavior of a noun. So those words which describe a noun are called adjectives, and they are also called describing words. They describe people, place and things. So I have written few examples of those words which can describe people. We can say sad, person is sad, or a person is honest. Then a person can be hungry. Then a person can be smart. Then to describe a place, we can say that the place is very beautiful. Then place is very far. It can be large or it can be small. Then to describe a thing, we can say that a thing is very costly or very tasty, or it is very easy, or we can also tell about its color. Moving further, to explain you more clearly, if there is a bird, suppose there is a bird and you want to describe a bird, so how can you describe a bird? You can describe a bird by telling about its size. That's a large bird. Over here, we are talking about flamingo bird. And as you can see children, it's a large bird. Okay children, then there are many things else which we can talk about it, but the first thing is describing about its size. Then there are many other things written about the bird, but some words are used to describe the color of the bird, like it is pink, it is black, it is white, it has white feathers, as you can see. Then they have long legs are long, and thin, patle. Then neck is long. Then they live in big flocks of hundreds of birds. So children, as you can see in the picture, the words used to describe a bird are known as describing words. Then moving further, all these underlined words are known as adjectives. They tell us more about the flamingo bird. We use adjectives to describe people, place or thing. For example, children, can you describe sun and ice cream by using describing words? Let's see. How can we describe them? We can describe them by saying that ice cream is very cold. Right children? आप कह सकते हो ice cream is very cold. Then what is this? This cold is a describing word. Then you can say that it is very yummy and tasty. So this yummy and tasty is describing word. Then children, what else you can say? You can say that it is decorated very nicely. So how it is decorated? It is decorated very nicely. So cold, yummy, tasty and nicely are adjectives. Then if somebody tells you to describe a sun, then you can say that it is very bright. Okay children, so bright is a describing word. Then you can say that it is very hot. So hot is a describing word. Then you can also say that ma'am, it is yellow in color. So all these things, bright, hot and yellow, are used to describe a sun. Now, as you have already understood what are adjectives, we'll solve a few exercises from your grammar book given on page number 41 and 42. Let's see. Your shoes are expensive. Neha has a sweet voice. This question is important. The earth is round. I am an honest person. A square has 4 sides. Rita won a gold medal. So children, in order to describe in order to find out adjectives in these sentences, see, your shoes are expensive. The thing which is used to tell or to describe about your shoes are called adjectives, like expensive. Then Neha is a sweet voice. What kind of voice? Sweet voice. Then this question is important. It is telling about the question, that it is very important. Then earth is round. It is telling about the shape of an earth. Then I am an honest person. What is my quality? I am an honest person. Then square has 4 sides. Number. It is describing a number of sides a square has. Then Rita won a gold medal. What kind of medal Rita won? Gold medal. So all these words are used to describe these nouns. Then moving further to the next exercise, we have to choose the words from the cloud given above, like untidy, cheap, fat, ugly, full and light, and write down the opposites of these words. Let's see and solve it. Yes, the opposite of beautiful is ugly. So from the box above we have chosen word ugly. We have written over here ugly. Then empty, the thing which is empty is always full. Then heavy. What can be the opposite of heavy? The opposite of heavy is light. Then thin, fat, tidy, untidy. Then if the thing is expensive, the opposite can be cheap. So these are the words which are used to describe the opposite of the various words. Now, there is one activity which we have solved in the class also, and which I am telling you, if you have been told to describe your school in your own words, how can you describe it? Let's see. My school is very big. So big is a describing word. Then you can say it is very beautiful. So beautiful again is a describing word. Then it has many tall trees inside the campus. Then classrooms are very big and spacious. The school building is white and red in color, and the teachers are very hardworking and cooperative. So children, you have seen that in every sentence I have used adjectives, 1 or 2 adjectives. So in this way we can describe our school. Then moving further to the last fun exercise, which is given on page number 42 of your English grammar book. In this activity, it is told to find, there are 15 adjectives hidden in this box and we have to find out. So children, let's do it. Open your grammar book, page number 42, and find out the adjective words and mark them. Here I am also going to do it. So the first adjective is in the very first line, cheerful. Then I hope you all must have find it. Then we can also Say ancient. The thing which is very old is called ancient. Then what else? In the last line, I can see wrong. This question is wrong. This girl is very chubby. Right, children? Then what else? Find out. Then the boy is very loyal. Then this movie is very funny. What else we can find out? We can find out huge. The box is very huge. Then the food item which mom gave me was very bitter. Then I ran very fast. So children, there are many more words. I have found out only few of them. You, of course, you can find many more words. Here I can see one more word, that is weak. So find out. One more word is there, that is slim. Person is slim. Child, girl is very slim. So children, I hope you all must have understood how to solve these exercises, and I hope the topic adjectives are very clear to you. Once again I'll repeat it, that those words which are used to describe a noun are called adjectives. And rewatch the video once again to clear your concepts. And thank you so much, children. Enjoy yourself and have a great day ahead.